Find the missing value. All right, I've got two solids, no picture. I've got the surface area of solid 1 and the surface area of solid 2. I have the volume of solid 1, no volume for solid 2. This guy bigger than that guy, big, small. Now, these are similar figures, so I'm thinking ratio thoughts. But I can't just, this can't be just easy. All right, I'm going to compare the volume to the surface area. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to create ratios of big to small figures. In other words, the volume on the big solid is 13312, and the volume on the small solid is, I don't know, call it X. The surface area on the big guy is 1088. And the surface area on the small guy is 425. Now, we can't just end here. We are now saying that volume is equal to surface area. No, it's not. If you want to break down volume and surface area to its simplest, most regular length, I would have to cube root volume and square root surface area in order to get these guys equal to each other. So similarly, I have to cube root that guy and square root that guy in order to get things equal to each other. All right. So the left side doesn't change. I have a big cube root 13312 over X, too much line. Okay. 1088 divided by 425 is 2.56. Now that's good because when I write it up here, the cube root, again, I'm not changing anything here, 13312 over X. That's going to equal the square root of 2.56, I believe is 1.6. It is 1.6. I use Siri. I secretly use Siri. Now this cube root's just in the way. How do I get rid of a cube root? Cube everything. Mark cubing. That cancels things out. Cancel, cancel. Now I have 113,312 over X is going to equal 1.6 cubed, which is 4.096. Why did you write that all the way up there? So I can put it over 1 and make it a ratio, and now I can do crisscross applesauce. So I am going to do crisscross applesauce. 4.096x equals 13,312. Divide both sides by 4.096. And 13,312 divided by 4.096 is 3,250. Now, my goal was to find the volume, kilometers, so kilometers cubed. These problems are not pleasant in any way whatsoever, at all, ever, on the planet, ever, at all. But we did it, and I feel good.